Transform your garden hose into a 2-in-1 wash station with the hose-powered car wash sprayer plus foam cannon from Aqua. Wash the car, rinse the siding, clean up lawn furniture and garden gear, all with the power of a standard household hose. Aqua's 2-in-1 sprayer quickly and easily converts to a foam cannon for a rich, thick lather to remove stubborn dirt, grease, and grime. Just fill with your favorite soapy solution, attach your garden hose, and spray up to 16 feet away. The foam cannon nozzle sprays at a 25-degree angle to quickly cover dirt, dust, and debris with a thick, rich lather of foam. Then simply swap attachments to rinse it all away for a supreme clean. Aqua features convenient one-handed operation. Just squeeze the trigger like a hose nozzle and use the thumb control dial to adjust water flow from light rinse to heavy soak to suit the cleaning task at hand. And the included Quick Connect sprayer nozzle adjusts from 0 degrees to 65 degrees with just a twist to switch from pinpoint jet to gentle fan spray. So give your garden hose an upgrade and go with Joe, the hose-powered car wash sprayer plus foam cannon from Aqua. Get equipped.